Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's video is Dreamy Opal and I'm going to show you how I create this look. So starting off with a false tip, I'm going to put a layer on of Diana and cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. So putting on my tile, I'm putting Barbie, Madame, Neptune and Elderflower. I'm going to use some Daisy too for the marbling lines. Okay, so taking that tip out of the lamp and then placing dabs of colour on the tile. We're going to put on another layer of Diana and leave that wet, and using Tracy Lou's fine liner we're going to dab some of these colours on into the wet layer. And you don't have to be particular about your placement of colours on the nail tip, just randomly place the colours all over. Doesn't matter how much of one colour or another you use, this will all help to create the depth of the opal. So when you're happy with that, then take, if you've got mylar shards or magpie, do some beautiful flakes as well, but they're just an iridescent flake or an iridescent glitter. Then cure that in the lamp, and then we're going to go back over with a thick generous coat of Diana. We're going to place that in the lamp to cure for the full 60 seconds again. Take it out and take your file and take the rough side and just file it down a bit. This just helps to take down any sharp bits that may be poking up. And then I go back in with my Willow Academy buffer and just smooth it all out. And then going back in with your Tracy Lou brush and taking a bit of Daisy and creating your marbling lines. I like my marble lines to look as strong as this, so I'll go back in with a bit of acetone on my angular brush and just brush it down and fade away parts, make some parts stronger. You'll know what you like to do. This is just how I like to do it. So when you're happy with that, go in with your Extreme Shine top coat. Just apply in a nice thin layer. Then cure in your lamp for the recommended settings. And this is the finished product. As you can see, there's a lot of depth to the opal. You can see the shards shining through. I really love this look and I hope you do too. And if you try it, please tag me in your posts. And if you like this video and want to see more, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching today. Bye.